The next step is to bind off for the thumb. And I want to show you how to weave in the contrasting color as you're binding off in blue. First 2 stitches, bind off in blue. And then just make sure that you are weaving in the contrasting color as you go. This will actually be easier to see on the purl side, which I will show you next. But I'm moving the contrasting color over and under the blue as I bind off so that it's woven right in there. And we're going to bind off to this first column right here. Actually, these 2. So you've got the first column of blue here, and then this one here. That's where we're going to stop. All right, we need to bind off one more. And don't worry about how neatly you do the weaving in as you go, because this is going to be on the inside of the thumb and you won't really see it. But here's what it looks like. We've just got the contrasting color woven in there.